Hello viewers, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to show you a tritone again to the 5. Yeah, this time around we'll be in the key of C. Right, the key of C has very nice stuff. So very nice key, right? Very nice key. All right, so I want to show you a tritone to the 5, right? So when I say 5, your 5 is your G. So we have a 1, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the number system. And we can talk about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, the extension, but that's not where we're going today. But I just gave you that just in case you follow this channel because we always use them. So we're gonna do a tritone on the 5, but this is how it's gonna go. Let me explain this first, then I will show you. Okay. So we are coming to our 5. So this progression is gonna be a 5 1 4, right? 5 1 4. So there's this long progression we do most of the time as 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. So then we're gonna have this tritone. So that's F sharp tritone. That's like the third, the 7th, and then the 3rd in the key of A flat, right? So okay, so we have so that's like where you can pick it, or you can say this is the 3rd in the key of D, or you can say D triad. Yeah, D dominant 7 rather. So you pick the 3rd and the 7th, right? So on a B flat chord, so you hit that, and then you play that into a B flat major 7 second inversion. That's a F, A, B flat, and D. So while you're holding a F chord here, all right, that's your 4. You know we're in the key of C right now. So I hope you got that. So let me play that in a song, then I'll show you further. So it goes like this: for you are great, you do miracles. 7 3, so great. Then you, so it starts as your 2. So you can see that right there. So while the bassist is holding the 2, that's when you actually do that tritone. There is no one else then like you. So let's look at it. For you are great, you do me. 7 3 6. There is no 5 1. All right, so that's it. So for you are great, 1, you do 7, mirror 3, so great 6. Then you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this if you can't do it. You can just do your great. There is no. Then. So you know how we do 5 1 4 now. 5 1. If you don't know it, that means you are just following this channel. We've done a lot of stuff. We have over 600 piano tutorials on this channel. So when I say you know it, you know we are very popular. So I can assume that you know that because I have over 600 piano videos on this channel. So and I've taught a lot. 600 is a lot of number. If you, of course, everybody knows that. All right. So 5, then 1. So you know we always, the major 7 that we use, we always do the flat 5 on 1. Then you go to your major 4. So for you are great, you do miracles, so great. Then, or if you're a professional, you can do for you are great. If you can do this, you do miracles. So you can do the There is no one else like you. Is there anything I'm missing? Right? Then, you can see that 2 to 3. Then you go to 4. Right? So that's it. So you just spice up your playing. So instead of playing for you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else. So you do this. For you are great, you do miracles. No one else like you. There is no one like you. Don't forget to click this the like button. Please like this video. Join the channel membership for special perks, and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.